welcome to my channel, and today in this video you're going to watch a very beautiful patchwork neckline design. So this is the design I'm going to make today. So it's a very beautiful patchwork design. So let's begin with this. So to make this beautiful pattern, you're going to have two different colors. So I'm taking a maroon color and a white color fabric. Just double fold the fabric like this and take any kind of circular object like this, and you're going to draw a circle like such. So make sure you take some contrasting color, three colors. So the top is going to be with yellow color, and the two circle is going to remain in like white and maroon. So take another circle which is little bit bigger than the first one, and you're going to draw a circle like this. Okay, and then pin the circle in the center before cutting that, so that you don't want the fabric to move from the place. So I'm just pinning both the fabric like such, and I'm going to cut the circle out. Okay, so this design is really beautiful. I totally loved it. It just came out really nice. So you can turn your plain kurta fabric in a beautiful outfit like this. You can wear a maroon color salwar and a maroon color dupatta for this kind of design. Whatever the contrasting color you're putting into the fabric, you can wear that color as your salwar and your dupatta. So now I'm cutting the small circle like this. Make sure you cut little by little. You want to stay on the track and you have to get the exact circle. And now you can see I made a small three circle like this. So now I'm going to cut into my big circle. Okay, so just cut into this. So if you want me to make any kind of pattern design or a neckline or a blouse design, whatever it can be, just send me the picture to my email address. So my email address is in the description box, and also it's flashing on the screen. So if you want me to make any particular design that you want me to make, so please do mail me the picture of that. Sure, I will try my level best to do that for you people. So now this is the big circle that I have made. So same like this, I have made a white color also. So any two contrasting color you can make. I made a maroon and a white color. So let me show you how to fold this fabric. So the small fabric is folded like this, and the big fabric is folded twice. Okay, so the big circle is folded like this. Okay, and also you need an embroidery thread to make this, and I have already winded my embroidery thread in a bobbin case, and let me show you that also. So this design is going to start from the shoulder, and it's going to come all the way down to the half of the body, and this also depends upon you as much you want. You can arrange the pattern. So you can see to the down part you're going to wind the embroidery thread like this. So now we are using a normal thread to make this pattern, and once the pattern is ready, I'm going to give an embroidery finish. So double fold the circle like such, and you're going to sew on the top. So as much you want, you can make this arrangement. So just place it randomly like this, one maroon and a white and a maroon. So I'm just going to give a 3 of this triangle. So as much you want, you can arrange this. So the raw edge of the circle is going to be open like that. So it might flare. That was going to give you like a flower like shape. So now I'm going to come all the way down. So till you get into that pattern, just move the fabric out, and again I'm going to do the same. So take the bigger one, and you're going to double fold that. Again, double fold like this. So for this one, I'm going to give a 4 to 5 kind of petal like shape. Okay, so first assemble everything, and then you're going to stitch on top of that. So the last petal is going to remain like a half circle. So take a small circular fabric and fold that in half and place it at the end. Okay, So now take a carbon paper and place the carbon paper underneath, and I'm just placing my kurta fabric on top. So I'm going to draw on top of this just by adding some like a shapy line like this. Okay, so I'm going to give the embroidery stitch on top of this. So for this pattern you are going to draw the exact line on the pre side, and the impression should be on the wrong side. That's what I'm using a carbon paper underneath, so that this impression would be on the back side. So let me show you that. So you can see the back side, you got the impression, because I'm just putting the embroidery thread only on the bobbin case, not on the thread over the top. So now my bobbin case has the embroidery thread bottom, so I'm just placing the pre side down and I'm sewing like such. Okay, so again I'm using a maroon color thread which goes well with the yellow color fabric. So you go along with the contrasting color, so make sure you sew that little by little like this. Okay, so it has a slight curve like such. And now I'm going to finish this out. So you're going to sew the entire line like this, and make sure that this line has to continue on the pattern fabric also. Okay, so once after making the first line, I'm going to start by the next one. Okay, and at the end make sure you add some back stitch and you jump forward to the next line and just come all the way down till you get into the next line like such. So very simple and very easy to make. Within 5 minutes you can make this pattern, and also it just looks really simple and neat, and I totally loved it. And if you like this video, if you want more kind of video like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So and this is the end result. You can see it just came out really beautiful. And again, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit on the thumbs up button below, so that I can understand that you need more kind of videos like this. And see you next time with a different kind of tutorial. Till then, take care. Bye bye.